Is your smart home attacking you? Do you have Internet of Things? Do you have it at work? Do you have it in your business? Do you have it at home? Are Amazon devices listening to you? That was an Amazon device. It attacked me. Have you got other smart home devices that are probably attacking you? Amazon Echoes. Maybe you've got some other smart device that's attacking you. Sensors. Maybe you got something else attacking you in the home. Maybe it's a Google Nest Hub, or maybe something like an Amazon Show. What have you got in your home? What have you got in your business? Are you doing things like turning your lights on and off, opening curtains, closing curtains, monitoring what's in your fridge? Are you opening the gates at the front of your house? Have you thought about the wireless? Have you thought about the security? Is your wireless even working anymore? Have you hit that limit of 16 devices, 17 devices, and your wireless is just blur? You start your laptop up, you got no signal. So what are these smart devices doing? These smart devices are attaching to your network and causing chaos. They're not built to have that many devices attached to the standard wireless device access point these days. The ones from your ISP might support 10 devices, might support more. That's a bit of a problem, and we can help you with that. We can add devices, access points to your network to try and extend how many smart devices you can have. But, bigger thought on that, what about the security? Are you putting your smart devices onto the same network as your business computers? Do you have cameras, things like that that can snoop on you? Things that are maybe attached to your network that have got bad firmware. They've got a default password. Hackers might know these things. You might have a device, like for instance, maybe a smart light bulb that might be wirelessly attached in your lounge room or in your business foyer. But the firmware that runs the wireless has a flaw in it. And the hackers know this. And they come along and they attach to your wireless light globe and they jump onto your network. The Internet of Things is bringing us some fantastic things. We can control all sorts of things in automation and smart home and all the rest of it. But you need to plan it carefully. You need to look at your firewalls. You need to think about what you're doing. You need to think, do I need a second network? So that if the Internet of Things network gets hacked, you can't see your business network or your home network. I'm sure you don't want all your family photos deleted or up on the internet without your permission. You don't want your business financials up on the internet without knowing, or someone logging into your network that you don't know about and can't account for. So you've got to think about security. At BTP, we can help you with this. We can help you, yes, put in more wireless devices that can handle more devices if you happen to go this way, but we can also secure it, make sure it's on a different LAN, make sure that if someone does hack your light bulb, they don't get into your email server. Think about it, give us a call, let us know. We can help you with your security. See you later.